Jai Srimannarayana. 38th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Lelihyase grasamanaha samantat lokan samagran vadanaihi ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरापूर्य जगत्समग्रम् भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णो Om. Imagine that Sri Krishna Paramatma's blazing effulgence encompassing entire worlds. He is all over of his entire creation. You are one of the creation of Sri Krishna Paramatma. To understand that, to enjoy that, only Narayana mantra helps you. That is why approach an authoritative and authentic Acharya and get Narayana mantra. Otherwise, Sri Krishna Paramatma's universal form will be fearful to you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, oh Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall try to imagine that your blazing effulgence is encompassing all the worlds. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I am the part of your creation. In order to understand you, enjoy your universal form, enjoy your all-pervasiveness, please help me approach an authoritative and authentic Acharya to get Narayana mantra. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 182nd డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the people in Vrindavan feeling so happy that they are able to enjoy with Sri Krishna, and they are also talking about Krishna's glorious stories. Like that, they are all spending their days. And Balarama and Krishna, they are playing with all their friends. Vraje nilayantaihi setubandhaihi utplavana adibhihi evam viharaihi kaumaraihi kaumaram jagaturvraje. Hide and seek and all other jumping and so many other kind of sports. Krishna, Balarama playing with their friends. Like that, they are spending their very young age. One of those days, Krishna felt like he wants to go into the forest along with his friends to eat over there. Then what he did is, Pratas Samuthaya, he got up early in the morning. Shrungaravena Prabodhayan. While blowing one of his instruments, he woke up all his friends. Then Vatsapurasaraha Charuna Vinirgataha, along with his friends and calves, everybody started from Vrindavan. So many thousands of Gopalas and thousands of calves. Every boy is holding one stick, one instrument to blow, and one flute, one lunch box. Like that, everybody is carrying. And Krishna Vatsaihi Asankhyaataihi, Krishna has so many calves, no limit. We cannot count. That many calves are there. Krishna also started with his calves. All other calves of Gopalas mixed with calves of Krishna, and they all went into forest. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 30th sloka. Lelikhyase grasamanas samantat lokan samagran vadanaihi jveladbhihi tejobhirapurya jagat samagram bhasastavograha pratapanti Vishnu. Lelikhyase grasamanas samantat lokan samagran vadanaihi jveladbhihi tejobhirapurya jagat samagram bhasastavograha pratapanti Vishnu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.